What's going on, N1 fam? Rock here with N1 Motion. Today I'm going to be taking you through warm-up drills for hockey players.
I'm taking the fans, making them jump, making them dance, making them jump, making them dance.
So to kick off our warm-up today, we're going to start out with thermogenic movements. These are things like jog, shuffle, karaokes, and line hops to increase the core body temperature. From there, we're going to work on some general mobility. Hockey players get really tight hips and back. Those are the two most common areas of tightness that I hear when it comes to hockey players. So we're going to spend some time working on general mobility, taking care of joint health, and then from there we'll get into some muscle activation, single leg stability, and then waking up the CNS as we get ready for the rest of our workout. We'll start out doing a jog down back, shuffle down back, karaoke down back. All right, let's go. Now let's hit our shuffle. Let's do high arm swing up above your head. Shuffle down and back, stay light on your toes. Very nice, karaoke, high knee in the front. Good, let's do our hop series. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, up to 30. Forward and back hops, 30 contacts. Forward is 1, back is 2. Then we'll take that side to side, 30 contacts. There you go, side to side, 30 reps. After the side to side hops, we'll go single leg, front to back, 20 right, 20 left. Then we'll take it side to side, 20 reps each. Sweet, good. Now you're gonna go down to the ground. We're gonna do a half kneeling ankle rocker, hamstring rocker. Get into those hamstrings. Feel that back there? Once you're done with the hamstring rocker, we'll get into our 90-90s. Drop your chest to your knee a little bit more. Rotate, hold, 3 seconds, chest to knee, into that bottom glute. Lift the back knee, good. Get into that inner thigh, knee down, foot up, internal rotation. Perfect, let's repeat that. 3 more rounds. So after this, we're gonna do our side leg, front to back shift. Let's do this for 5 reps, 5 reps each side. Halfway, stack the knee over the hip, or hip over the knee, there you go. Lift and hold, perfect, and relax. Take your time, take your time. Shift forward, push the hip down, sit back, lift the leg, try not to rotate too much here. Ooh, we gotta work on those hips. Sit way back. Feel that tug on the inner thigh when you sit back. And once you're finished there, we're gonna go into our half kneeling quad stretch on the wall. There you go. Get that rocking motion, 10 reps there. So you're just trying to open up through that quad and hip area, yep. And then you'll reach across your body, kick the hip out this way, there you go, yep, and then return. Across, kick the hip and turn, yep. There it is, good. Swing that arm through, yep. Shoulders back, lean back. Nice job. Next, we're gonna do our T-spine rotation. I want you in a split lunge. Open up, try and get your shoulders to the wall. Good, come back, connect. Now this left arm, yeah, there you go. Stay connected to the wall as you open up. This arm follows through. There you go, good. Same thing there. Open up towards me. Shoulder blades to the wall. Open up, yes, that's it. Good. Bring it back, perfect, there it is. Good, 4 more just like that. We got 1 more mobility drill after this. We'll get into our ankle rockers. Try and get a stretch of that calf there. Don't let the back heel elevate, there you go. So single leg glute bridge, we'll do 10 reps up and down. 10th rep, hold the top for 10 seconds. Okay, straighten out this leg. Knee even with the knee, up and down for 10, then hold the top for 10, there you go. Stay right there, good. Time to arch your back. Squeeze your core. There it is, squeeze the glute. Drive the heel down into that turf. 10-second hold, and we'll switch sides and repeat, same thing. Up and down for 10. Good, good, good. And we hold for 10. Squeeze it, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You'll face the gray wall. We got clams, same thing. We'll do up and down for 8. Nope, stay where you are, head here. Face that way. Up and down for 8. Yep, there you go. And then hold the top for 8. Push that bottom knee into the ground, get into that side glute. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, same thing, other side, repeat. Tuck your knees to your chest a little bit more. Bring your knees to your chest right there. Yep. Stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. And good, after 8, relax. Now we're gonna go into an adductor side plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing, other side. 3, 2, 1. Beaut, nice job. We're gonna do some leg swings. Way out to the side, way out, and then swing behind, there it is. 5 reps each. Good, once you're done there, we're gonna do a single leg balance. Soft knee bend in the front. Good, there it is, yep. 10 each way, soft knee bend. Rotate, swing. Nice job keeping the shoulder square, hip square, good. Hip thrust, hold, okay. Neck strengthening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, relax. You're gonna grab right on top of the ear here. Pull your ear to shoulder, right? So pull it down this way. And now you're going to actively try and push your head into that hand, right? Trying to resist. So we're working this side of your neck, okay? Working on that neck strength. Hockey's a contact sport. We got to strengthen the neck for concussions. 10-second hold. Quick activation. I want your head hanging off the top. Relax your head, okay? So we'll take this off. Come up and push your head into my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Wake up that core. We got split squat stance, perturbation, okay? Resist in all directions, okay? If I might push up, don't let me push up, down, side, side, okay? Last thing here. Ready? Go. 2, 1. Perfect, good. Perfect. How you feel? Warm? All right, go ahead, put your shoes on. We'll do our build-ups.